Simple herbs that support a healthy microbiome, plus a gentle tea and smoothie recipe to get you started. Let's get to it. One of the most overlooked pieces of our health journey is the health of our gut microbiome. Let's talk about some of the top herbs for gut health. Chamomile or like lemon balm. These are really good options. These calming herbs are beautiful for soothing the gut lining, easing tension in the belly, and even helping with sleep, which your microbiome loves. Now, these are typically good for bloating, an anxious stomach, sleep connection, and anxiety. Next, we have warming digestives. So, ginger or cloves are good options. These are warming digestive stimulants that help reduce bloating. They support a healthy stomach acid, and they're key for breaking down food and feeding the good gut bugs. Now, these warming herbs are typically good for cold digestion, gas, and sluggish bowels. A good indicator of cold digestion is sluggish bowels. Just wanted to make that connection there. Next, we have dandelion root or cleavers. These are good options as well. Now, I know many are familiar with dandelion root, which supports the liver, bile flow, and helps the gut do its job. Cleavers is a gentle lymphatic herb. It helps move waste out of the body. It really does a good job of doing that. And I'm going to throw in a bonus in here, and that is chickweed. Chickweed is good for liver support, skin issues, and also sluggish digestion. Okay, so now we have licorice root, which can soothe inflammation and restore the gut lining. Also, ashwagandha, which is an adaptogen that helps the body handle stress. And stress is one of the top ways that we actually damage our microbiome without realizing it. So, both are typically good for leaky gut, adrenal fatigue, and sugar cravings. So those are some gut helping herbs. And no, you don't need all of them, but just think of them like tools. So you pick a pair that fits your needs today. So for example, if you're holding a lot of anxiety, you want to look at the soothing herbs. You have some facial issues, then you would look at the bitters and the warming herbs. So here's a tea recipe. It's a gut loving herbal blend. It's really good. We have dandelion to help with bile flow, the lemon balm that helps calm. And as far as helping with bloating, gas, and just providing that extra push, ginger is really good for that. Or you could use the fennel seeds. This combination supports digestion, the liver, and calms the nervous system all in one cup. And then I also want to give you a good smoothie recipe. This one has avocado, or you could use a small green banana, spinach or dandelion leaves, and ginger. That's very good for the gut, and some berries. And you could use protein powder or make your own protein powder through nuts, and then chia or flax seeds. Also, almond or coconut milk. The fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants in this blend help feed your good gut bacteria and keep your blood sugar steady. So that's key, keeping that blood sugar steady. If you're looking for more natural ways to support your gut, I've created a free guide on the best magnesium types for digestion, stress, and sleep. You can grab that using the link below. And if you try this tea or smoothie, let me know also in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, or subscribe if this helped you. Your gut is more important and powerful than you might think, and little steps like this can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and take care.